Fix YouTube premium payment done but not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If not your Wi-Fi network, then make sure that you switch to your cellular data. After that, what you're going to do is check for the updates of the YouTube application on your device. So let's go to the Play Store application and search for the YouTube application on your Play Store. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So all I have to do is go back and then make a long press on the YouTube application, then tap on app info. Now after tapping on app info, all you have to do is you can see the option of clear data. So just tap on clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen, then clear cache, tap on OK, and if it's possible you can also clear all data. So after that, all you have to do is tap on the permissions. So just go for app permission and make sure that you have toggled on these required options so that you can perform activities and you can function the application without any glitches. Now go back and go to your YouTube premium payment again and check for it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.